lot of people out here just wasting space. They just out here walking. I don't know, I can't understand it. You right there, I'm saying, what are you here for? Hey yo, pick up the phone. Yeah, I'm getting mad calls. But I'm saying though, I'm not really all that large. I'm just hungry, really. I need to get put on. Could you put me on? Put me on. Know what I'm saying? I got something I want to do. Listen to me. Hey yo, you're not listening. Hey yo, trying to wake you up. I know what I'm here for. I come to resurrect microphones. Do my thing.